I think that my dear friends, what we are doing and what we are no. I think where we are working. So it is dependent to yourself how much we can learn easily this language. So it is difficult for me and for the every person who is trying to improve of his communication skill. Hi everyone, this is Sandeep and you starting to watch officially Sandeep. I hope you are well and you are doing well. This video part to you. If you are thinking and if you want to make fluent in English, so I think that my dear friends, it is more impact at myself in which people we are living and in which atmosphere we are surviving of myself. So my dear friends, my dear brother, if you want to know about you, if you want to think about yourself, I think that you will do better. And you have seen a lot of people, they are working, they are trying to work of them and they are getting well response of his work. You must know and you must try to thinking in my atmosphere. We are learning in my atmosphere. So in which people we are surviving, in which people we are living. So I think that lot of impact add to you, that people's. So you must try to know at this time, my dear friends, if you are thinking, if you want to do, you must try to think deeply about yourself. And you must try to think, because if you are your strength, your potential, your strength, your positivity, your strength, your work, what are you doing and what you want to do. So I think that we are learning, we are watching and we are doing a lot of practice watching of people. So in which people, in which atmosphere, environment we are surviving, we like to make of them. And we think, I think that my dear friends, we must try to know about myself. What am I? What are you? And lot of people, what they want to do, what they are. So I think that it is dependent to yourself, and I think that this video is going to lot of fun. And if you are feeling entertainment this video, I think that my dear friends, you can join with me officially Sandeep. I hope if you are a learner, if you want to do practice, if you think that about yourself, I think that somewhere our tongue is लड़खड़ाना क्या बोलते हैं, what we are speaking. I think some movement is coming in my mind and we have not the word which meaning is put out. So I want to say, and we are trying to do better in my life. Everyone, there is no one in this world, everyone you want to gain better response of his work. So I think that what are you must try to know, and you must try to think about the positivity. You would never to think what are you. So it is depend, and it is depend at yourself how you can remove your affair and how you can speak without hesitation from the public place. If you are doing this, nothing to impossible in your life, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you think that you are lonely only, I means lonely means hota akela. I think that if you are only one person and you try to change your mindset, you want to change your activity, who are you doing, I think that there is no one to stop, there is no one to stay. I think if you are thinking deeply about of them, so we must try to make good habit and we must try to follow as people who is better to me, who is doing great work. What I want to say in my video, I means if you want to get something better response, you have to follow as people who is better to you. My dear friends, you are watching social media and social media is yet dangerous for to you. Lot of people, in which direction you are going and in which direction you are giving time. So I think that my dear friends, you must serious taking your future, and it wouldn't to help to you in your life to survive your life. I think it is used only for fun. So why? I think that you are using your phone at social media, you are wasting your time. Also, I am of them. I am not leaving. So, but we wouldn't hesitate. We wouldn't feel. We must try to work, and we must try to give direction of my ambition. What we want to do. After few days, after some years, your relative, your friends would ask to you, they would see to you, what are you, and they judge to you. So it is dependent on yourself, my dear friends, to make well yourself and try to understand, try to give a positive direction to you. So I think that we can say social media is bad effect of the people, and we must try to know at this talk what I want to say, and in our mind what is coming, I don't know that. But if you want to improve yourself, if you are learning this language, you must try to speak, you must try to do practice something. I think that if you are doing something, you would gain something better response in your life. And we are trying to, when we have met time, we are starting our phone and we try to make video. I think that which video is better, and I think that I have not done some mistake in my video, and we are providing to you at my social media. So it is dependent on yourself how you can learn this language easily. So my dear friends, we must think about myself. What am I? What I want to do? What I want to achieve in my life? Would I do better response of my work? I think that there is no one who is better to you. Only in your mind who you have set, you must try to remove them. If you are thinking there is no one who is know everything of his born, he learn, he study, he watching of people, he doing practice lot of us, then he make better now. So you must know at this talk, and we are trying to improve myself. We try to think how much we can see a lot of us who is coming in my mind, and I'm not writing before, because my difference, if you are learning this language, it is dependent so at yourself how much, if you would make, and how much you would accept this concept. I think that you would learn recently this language, who is learning, speaking, doing practice, and after it speaking. So I think that my dear friends, and writing to holy, I am forgetting something. Who I think that some moment is coming, who we want to say, who is not coming in the mind, but who is coming, my dear friends, you must try to say. I think that we learn, and we learn of my mistake, we learn who we are doing. So I think we must learn about my past, we must learn about my work, what we are doing mistake, what we must try to do. So if you think that you have not better chance to do something better in your life, you must watch of people. So you have met lot of people, they are doing lot of struggle in his life, they are doing, they survive the very difficult life, and they are shining, they are making brightness in this world. You must know at this talk, my dear friends. And if you are क्या कहते हैं कोसते हैं, if you are saying I am not eligible to do it, तो आप never, you would never get do it, तो आप कभी नहीं कर पाएंगे. And you must try to remove your negativity in your mind if you want to do well in your life, if you want to gain well in your life. So I think that I would say in my video about my work, what we are and what we want to do. But I think some incident is creating with me, we are not sharing lot of us. Why? I think that my dear friends, if we are learning, we learn much of people. Someone is better to me and someone is more better to me. You must never to feel hesitate, and you must never to feel nervousness. If he's better than you are, if he's better to you, then you are good. So you must never to hesitate at the start. You would never to get bad response of people. I think that there is no one know in which way your destiny would change, and you must try to work at yourself. I hope if you are watching to me, you can join with me officially Sandeep, and you can share your thought in the comment section. I think that we are providing to you क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी तो नहीं कह सकता हूँ, बट यू कैन वॉच टू मी एंड यू कैन लर्न हियर, कुछ देख सकते हैं. यू कैन लर्न समथिंग हियर एंड यू कैन मेक वेल योर पोटेंशियल. यू कैन मेक वेल yourself if you are watching to me. Thank you. Jai Hind.